The Employment Development Department, EDD, developed this tutorial to assist you with navigating through e-Services for Business. This tutorial will show you how to protest your UI rate on the Notice of Contribution Rates and Statement of UI Reserve Account, DE 2088. On an annual basis, we notify tax-rated employers of their unemployment insurance, UI, and employment training tax, ETT, contribution rates through the DE 2088. The DE 2088 also provides the website where the State Disability Insurance, SDI rate can be found. It is important to review your statement to ensure that the information is correct. You may protest any of the information contained in the notice except SDI and ETT, which is specifically set by law. For more information, please refer to the explanation of the Notice of Contribution Rates and Statement of UI Reserve Account, DE 2088C, or Information Sheet California System of Experience Rating, DE 231Z. If you have access to more than one account, you will need to select the account first. This is the e-Services for Business homepage. Select Show More in the Account Management section. This page displays the account management actions you can take for this account. Select Protest UI Rate. This is the first page of the UI rate protest. Select a rate period to protest and enter the corresponding letter ID for the statement you are protesting. Then select Next. This is the main item selection page, which displays commonly protested items from the DE 2088. Here you may select the items pertaining to your protest and the reason for protest. If the items displayed do not apply to your protest, you may select Next to continue to the following screen for additional item selections. For this example, we select UI contribution rate and enter a reason for the protest. Select Next to continue. Note, at least one item on the DE 2088 must be selected prior to submission. This is the credit item selection screen, which displays items credited to your reserve account. Here you may select the credit items pertaining to your protest. If the items displayed do not apply to your protest, you may select Next to continue to the following screen for additional item selections. For this example, we select Previous Reserve Balance and UI Contributions and enter a reason for the protest. Select Next to continue. This is the Charge Item Selection screen, which displays the items charged against your reserve account. Here you may select the charge items pertaining to your protest. If the items displayed are not applicable, you may select Next to continue to the following screen. For this example, we will not protest any additional items. Select Next to continue. You may attach supporting documentation to your protest here. Select Attach Supporting Documents. Select Choose File to locate the supporting documents you want to import. Select the file name, then select Open to attach the document. In the description field, enter a description of the file. Select OK to continue. Now you can see the file you attached. You may view the file to ensure the correct file was attached by selecting the file name. Select Next to continue. Answer yes or no to the question, are you submitting an untimely protest? For this example, we select No. Select Next to continue. Review the details of your protest, then select Next. Complete the declaration, then select Submit. This is your confirmation that your UI rate protest was submitted. Make a note of your confirmation number or print a copy for your records, then select OK. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial on how to protest your UI rate on e-Services for Business. Be sure to view our other tutorials demonstrating how to protest a benefit charge, file a tax return or wage report, and the many other actions available in e-Services for Business. Other resources are available at edd.ca.gov or by calling the Taxpayer Assistance Center at 1-888-745-3886.